Hi everyone, welcome to TunesKit channel. Want to try the latest iOS 27 beta on your iPhone? In this video, I'll show you several ways to install iOS 27 beta safely and easily. Before getting started, make sure your iPhone is compatible with iOS 27 and create a backup of your data so you can safely revert if necessary. There are two easy ways to back up your iPhone. First, use iCloud Backup by going to Settings, tapping your name, selecting iCloud, then iCloud Backup. Turn on Backup this iPhone. Tap Backup now. Alternatively, you can connect your iPhone to a Mac or Windows PC, then open Finder or iTunes, click the phone icon. Choose Backup now to create a local backup. Now, let's look at the two ways to install iOS 27 beta. Method 1. Install iOS 27 Developer Beta from Settings. First, on your iPhone Safari browser, visit developer.apple.com. Sign in or sign up with your Apple ID. Then open Settings. Tap General. Software Update. Beta Updates. And select iOS 27 Developer Beta. Go back and tap Update now. Enter your screen passcode and agree the terms and conditions. Wait for the update to complete. Method 2. Use TunesKit iOS System Recovery. If the update fails or the iOS 27 beta doesn't appear on your iPhone, you can use TunesKit iOS System Recovery to upgrade your device quickly and reliably. First, download TunesKit iOS System Recovery. Connect your iPhone to your computer. Launch TunesKit. Select Upgrade/Downgrade iOS. Choose iOS Upgrade. Select iOS 27 beta version. Download the firmware package. Once the firmware download is complete, click Start Upgrade. The process will take a few minutes. After the upgrade is complete, wait a few minutes for your iPhone to restart automatically. Once it powers back on, complete the setup process, and your device will be running iOS 27 beta. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.